So this is the audio from my iPhone 14 internal microphone. And now this is the audio from the BOYA by-M1 Pro. So this video I'll be showing you how I unboxed this device which I ordered from Amazon. And yeah, if you want a detailed video of by-M1, it's already listed on my channel. You can click on this I button and check it out. But if you want a detailed comparison of this two, like which one you should buy, then just ping me in the comment section and I'll come up with a video for you guys. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the box which I received when I ordered this product from Amazon.
A few moments later.
And here it is. So let's keep this outside box aside and let's look into this box. On top you will get the branding, the logo and the design of the product. On side there is nothing much, but yeah, on the back side they have given some of the details also in different languages, and here is some of the more details. So let's go on the other side. Here also there is nothing. On the downside again you will get some details about the product, and yeah, on the top they have mentioned that it comes with a 2 years of warranty. Okay, so the box is open and here is the product. First we'll get everything outside, then we'll look one by one what is there inside this. So let's keep this aside. Okay, so here are a few things. You'll get the sticker, then the warranty card. Obviously you can go online also and claim this warranty. Then you get the user manual where they have mentioned everything in detail. You can check this out too. Then here is the pouch in which you will get the microphone. So the pouch really comes with a good quality. Then the microphone inside it, let's get this thing out first. Inside this you get some more things, and this is the silicone gel by which it stays dried inside. So let's keep the silicone gel and everything aside and open this small packet. Here we go. First thing comes out is the clip. Then there is one more connector and windscreen foam. Then here is our main thing, which is the mic. So here you can see this is the aux cable. Then this is the condenser, and it comes with an extra button as compared to by-M1. So here is the main button where you can on off, and here is the second button where you can increase and decrease the noise cancellation. And here you get the earphone jack as well. So let's open this up, and here you can see there is a battery inside this. Close this up. Then you will get some length of wire so that you can attach this mic on your collar. And yeah, that was all about the unboxing.